We gotta say what's going on first.
What's going on?
All right, we're back for episode 2. Big things are happening. Ta-da! We have got a new EJ25D. And where did we buy this engine, Orland?
Marketplace.
Yeah,
Where
of
else?
course.
Of course it's Marketplace.
And do you know how much we paid for this engine?
Well, I saw the ad was 500 and I don't know what you got it for.
I got it for $200.
Ooh, not bad.
So let's get it out of the car and into this car. Notice our wheels. We somehow made it here without any rubbing, even with an engine in the boot. Also, we have no idea if this engine runs.
No, bit of a gamble, but for $200 we've probably got that in parts.
Yeah, we're free.
Do you want to go straight in?
We're free.
Do you want to go straight in? We could just go straight in.
No, we need to put spark plugs and various other things on it. So on the new engine, we need to take the clutch off and figure out which engine has the better clutch and flywheel. And then whatever that is, we put on this engine, which is going in. And we also need to do spark plugs on here, and that's about it.
Yeah, that looks really fucked. It's not terrible. I mean, it's very rusty. Probably want to resurface it.
Nah, this engine's going in today.
Nah.
Yeah. Our options. Flywheel 1, still on this new engine. Flywheel 2, which is rusted from sitting in the hangar for the past few days.
And is pretty cracked, and all the internet experts said replace it. I think we use the new one. It's slightly less cracked. I mean,
Yeah.
what's the worst that could happen aside from premature clutch wear?
What cracks are we looking at? Oh yeah, these ones.
Like, yeah, there's this hairline.
Well, it's a $500 car and a $200 engine, so I think we should just send it. All right. Which clutch plate are we using?
The old one, that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Yep. And we're using this
Shit,
clutch.
stop clutch, yep.
Like that?
Yep. Put some clutch bolts in.
What keeps the clutch centered?
The pins.
No, not the pressure plate, the clutch itself.
Oh, the
gearbox.
The gearbox. Fuck.
Looks like we're stuck then. No point in putting the clutch in or putting the engine in.
We can get it pretty close.
But it needs to be perfectly aligned to fit the gearbox.
When we're putting it on, we just wobble the gearbox around.
What do you mean?
No, the entire box.
Yeah, but it's the relation between this and that. The relationship between this center point and all of these bolt holes that has to be perfect, or it won't.
We're putting it in today, right?
Not anymore, we're not.
But we could try, and if it doesn't work, we pull it out and we get a tool. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck?
What?
Is one of these a stud? What? It's a stud on the back.
What? What's that doing there?
I don't know.
Is it snapped?
I don't know.
We've just found this sticking out the back of the bell housing. No idea why. That should not be in there.
Do you reckon it's snapped?
Probably.
All right, let's throw 2 nuts on it and pull it off then.
Yep.
Wonder what the hell is going on. Looks like I'm slowly getting places.
Haha.
It's not even snapped.
What was it doing in there?
I'm not sure. Can you grab me the
The what?
spanner? That one I just gave you just before.
Spanner?
I'm going to try and take it off. What the fuck? What is that?
Is that?
Why is that in there? What are we missing?
I've got no idea. Anyway, let's get back to it. All right, now we need to go up.
Yep.
Uppity, uppity, up. Oh, we are forgetting that we need to take the aircon and the power steering off of this block because our old ones are, all the lines are still connected, the
Yep.
power steering line and the aircon line.
All right.
Let's do that very quickly.
That was way too painful.
All right, what more is there to do before dropping this thing in?
I reckon we can put it in, can't we?
We should make sure all our wiring is going to work. We've got to figure out if this loom can plug into our car somewhere.
Is that the only thing that needs to plug in?
I think so.
These.
Yeah,
Where do they plug into?
no idea.
There. That's what we're plugging into.
Good, so we know we have a complete, or at least more or less complete loom. Anyway, all of this can be done once the engine's in.
Yeah.
We've also got various fuel or vacuum lines cut like that. Good bit of zip tie. Some more cut lines, that's probably for a brake booster. Yeah. Where should we put the audience?
Up my bum.
The audience wants to go over here.
They want to go up my bum.
I don't think they want to go up your bum.
What about up your bum?
Should we do a pote? Not a pote, a poll. Who wants to go up Orland's bum? No one wanted to go up your bum, by the way.
Damn.
They all said no.
I think there was one person.
One special person who wanted to go up your bum.
Yeah.
All right.
They know who I'm talking about. Subscribe so we can get an actual garage, please. I don't want to work with these straps anymore. I want real tools, not strap-ons.
We want snap-ons, not strap-ons.
Hey, this is a fucking mint engine leveler.
Isn't it?
You know what'd be handy right now?
What?
An engine leveler.
Yeah.
Subscribe so we can get an engine leveler. And a real shed with power. And maybe a sauna.
A sauna?
Yeah.
You don't think that's getting a bit extravagant?
Nah, no, it'll be pretty handy. Maybe
You don't think we're exploiting our viewers' hard-earned money?
it's not their money, it's their
Their
attention.
time, yeah.
It's their attention.
And if they want to give us enough attention that we can
Whoa.
have a sauna,
Yeah,
then all the better.
I'm keen. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. It's like so close.
Yeah. Do we just go a bit lower and try and line it up?
Yeah.
Does it even need to go lower? Or do you just need to lift the bell housing? Do you want to show me how high you can lift the bell housing?
Not very.
That's more than high enough. It's above the studs.
Oh, I'm so strong.
Oh, that one's almost in. It's close.
What do you need?
Ooh, it's in. This side's in. And then let me jack up the engine a tiny bit. I'll hold on to this so it doesn't come out again. Now we need to get the one in on the other side.
I can't see what it's doing.
Can you hold this
Yeah.
in that way so it doesn't slip back off
Yeah.
the stud like that?
Fail. I was trying to get over there. Sorry.
Oh well, lift up the transmission a tiny bit and I'll get this side back in.
Tell me how much you need it lifted.
Yep. A couple of centimetres less down. Down more, tiny bit, up a bit. Hang on. The spacing doesn't seem right.
Oh, we're in. Oh,
Are we?
This side's not anymore.
I don't think the spacing's right. It's
What do
like
you
they're
mean?
a couple mil off. Or are we just struggling and retarded? I don't know.
Could be that.
Oh, the spacing's wrong.
Really?
It's like the transmission's a couple mil wider.
Do you have the right engine?
Yeah.
Did you check it on the engine code?
No. It is an EJ25D though. It should be fine. Are we just doing something wrong, or is one of our studs bent?
Stud could be bent.
I don't know.
Stud could definitely be bent. Pull it out.
The engine?
Yep.
Yeah, I think we have to, because
Yep.
this side's not going in and the other side is in. All right, disappointingly, we could not get the engine in because possibly one of the studs is bent.
Or maybe he bought the wrong engine.
I did not buy the wrong engine.
He hasn't checked the engine code.
It's the right engine. It's an EJ25D. It's dual cam. It's a phase 1 Subaru, so the power steering pump was sitting there, and that means it's an EJ25D, I think. But unfortunately, that is a wrap for this episode, isn't it?
Yeah, looks like it.
How sad.